To turn the vibration on or off for custom sounds alerts in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings, web dan notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility, select hearing enhancements, and then tap sound notifications, tap open sound notifications. Next, tap settings icon, and then tap ways to be notified, scroll down the screen, and then on sound custom sounds like sounds that you have saved, tap vibrate switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.